How to install Claude in Excel. Make sure that you have the official Microsoft Excel. Once you're in Excel, in the top right corner of the screen, you're gonna see add-ins. Simply click that, and then you're just gonna type in Claude. Here you will see two of Claudes, like Claude for Microsoft 365 and Claude by Anthropic for Excel. So the Claude for Microsoft 365 is for the entire Office group, so Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. But the second option, Claude by Anthropic for Excel, is specifically designed just for Excel. So we're gonna add that one. Now, if you're getting the same error as I'm getting right now, what you need to do is make sure that you're signed in. So click sign in. Now that you're signed in, simply right click on Claude, remove it. Let's re-add it. And now it should work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.